TCL C6K versus C7K full comparison. Which 65-inch smart TV should you buy? In this video, I'm comparing the 65-inch TCL C6K with the TCL C7K to find out which QD-Mini LED TV gives you the better picture, gaming experience, sound, and overall value. Let's start with the display. Both TVs combine quantum dot color with mini LED backlighting, but the C7K is the more premium model. For the 65-inch versions, TCL's regional specifications list the C6K at up to 1000 nits peak brightness, while the C7K steps up significantly with more powerful HDR performance and substantially more local dimming zones. That means the C7K can deliver brighter highlights, stronger contrast, deeper-looking blacks, and better control of blooming around bright objects. The C7K also uses TCL's Crystal Glow HVA panel and APK Pro processor. TCL advertises the C7K series with HDR brightness reaching up to 2600 nits in some regional configurations. Although exact brightness and dimming specifications can vary depending on screen size and market. For gaming, both models are strong choices. The C6K offers HDMI 2.1 connectivity and high refresh rate gaming features, while the C7K has a native 144Hz panel with variable refresh rate, auto low latency mode, and FreeSync Premium Pro support. The C7K can even support up to 288Hz VRR at lower resolutions on compatible setups. That makes both suitable for PlayStation 5, Xbox Series X, and PC gaming. But the C7K's brighter panel and more advanced local dimming can produce a noticeably more impressive HDR gaming experience. Sound is another area where the C7K moves up market. It features an audio system tuned by Bang & Olufsen, giving buyers a more premium built-in audio solution. However, serious movie fans may still prefer adding a dedicated soundbar or surround sound system. For smart features, both use Google TV, giving you access to major streaming services, apps, voice features, and Chromecast functionality. The C7K also supports premium formats including Dolby Vision IQ and HDR10+. Here's my pro tip: don't judge these TVs only by their mini LED label. Local dimming, performance, and brightness make a major difference. If you regularly watch HDR movies in a dark room or play visually demanding games, the C7K's higher-end backlight system is worth considering. So, which 65-inch TV should you buy? Choose the TCL C6K if you want excellent mini LED picture quality, strong gaming features, and better value for money. Choose the TCL C7K if you're willing to spend more for significantly stronger HDR, more precise local dimming, premium audio, and a more cinematic overall experience. For most budget-conscious buyers, I'd pick the C6K, but if picture quality is your priority and the price difference isn't too large, the C7K is clearly the better television. If you found this comparison helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments. Would you save money with the C6K or upgrade to the C7K?